Hello, children. Today we are going to start with our new lesson from Marigold book. So, our lesson is from Unit 1 Wonderful Waste. So, let's get started. This story is known as folktale. Now, what is folktale? In every country of the world, there are stories which has been handed down from grandparents to grandchildren, or where is have been sung by mothers to their babies. These stories are called folk tales and tell us about the customs and culture of the place they are set in. It means that folk tale is a kind of story that keeps on passing on from one generation to another. For example, your grandmother has narrated this story to your mother, then your mother is narrating it to you. So, in this way, this story goes on. It is called folk tale. Now let's start with Wonderful Waste. So, once upon a time, the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. So, children, what is the meaning of feast? A ceremonial dinner party for many people. So, there was a grand party which was all set for the dinner for many people. Maharaja was very curious. He went inside the kitchen to see whether all the dishes are being made properly or not. As the Maharaja entered the kitchen, he saw many vegetable scraps. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." So the cook told that they all are waste. We have to throw them away. They are of no use. Maharaja was angry. He said, "No, you cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them." The Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. Maharaja was very angry that all these things were of no use and you have to throw them away. No, I don't like all such things. Find a way to use them. What is the meaning of scraps? Worthless material. And sternly means in a severe manner. Command means instruction to do something. So the Maharaja went away by saying this. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. So the cook was very much confused that what can be done. He kept on staring to the vegetable scraps for some time. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. It means in a very quick moment, he got one idea. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them, and cleaned them well. So, he washed and cleaned all those bits of vegetable. Then he cut them into long strips. He put them into a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies, and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. So, after washing the vegetables scraps, what did the cook do? He cut them into long strips and then he put them into a huge pot and placed it over the fire to cook. He added few more ingredients. They are fresh coconut, green chilies, and garlic. And after that, some salt. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. A very nice and delicious smell was coming out from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. Now he whisked some curd and also put it inside the curry. So this was the whole preparation of the curry which the cook was making out of scraps. So children, in Kerala, in some parts of Kerala, it is very important to cook the vegetables and food in coconut oil. So the cook also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Curry leaves are also a very important ingredient. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served his new dish to the guests that evening. What is the meaning of lo and behold? In Hindi, we can say yeh lo. The new dish was ready and it was ready to be served to the guests. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought. Then a name came to his mind. He named it Avil. So the new dish was formed and it was given a name also. It was Avil. Everyone loved the dish. Avil became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in the traditional Kerala fest. And imagine, it all came out of a basket of waste. So, can you imagine, children, that from a basket of waste, such a fruitful dish was being prepared? So, this was your story, children. I hope you all understood this story. If you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye. Take care.